Hey y'all, it's your girl Tasha. If you've been thinking about starting your own DIY craft hustle, but you're working a 9-to-5, your money's tight, and you're overwhelmed with where to start, this video is for you. I know what it feels like to scroll, save videos, and keep saying, I want to do this. That could be me, but not know where to even begin. So today I'm breaking down exactly what you really need to get started with low stress, low budget, and a big mindset. Let's get into it. Before I show you any tools or supplies, let's talk about what matters most, your mindset. You don't need a full craft room, and you don't need every machine out there. You just need to believe in yourself and the willingness to start where you are. Here's the truth. Done is better than perfect. You can watch 1,000 tutorials, but none of that matters if you never try. You got to be okay with learning as you go. So if you got a 9-to-5 and you're tired but still dreaming, start small. Start messy, but start anyway, because that little push can change everything. All right, now let's talk about starter supplies and tools that's actually affordable. This is a Cricut, a smart cutting machine that cuts vinyl, paper, fabric, you name it. A weeding tool is super vital when using a Cricut, especially for vinyl and iron-on projects. After your Cricut cuts the design, you need to weed out the excess material. Without it, weeding can be frustrating and time-consuming. It helps you get a clean, detailed result every time. Even with all the tech, a good pair of scissors is still a must-have for quick, precise cuts. Heat-resistant tape holds your design in place during pressing, preventing shifting and ghosting under high heat. A lint roller removes dust, hair, and debris from your surface so your design sticks clean and smooth. A metal ruler gives straight, precise cuts and won't get damaged when used with sharp blades and craft knives. Next is permanent vinyl. Permanent vinyl sticks long-term to surfaces like glass, plastic, and metal. Transfer tape lifts the vinyl design from its backing and helps place it exactly where you want it. The scraper presses the vinyl onto the transfer tape, then onto the final surface, removing bubbles for a clean finish. Without one of the three, the process can get messy or uneven, but together they give you a smooth, professional finish. Iron-on vinyl, also known as HTV, is a heat-activated material used to create custom designs on fabric with a heat press or iron. A heat press is a machine that uses high heat and pressure to permanently apply designs onto fabric and other materials. A mini heat press is a small handheld heat tool used to apply iron-on vinyl to smaller items, tight areas, or curved surfaces with precision. Parchment paper is used as a protective barrier during heat pressing to prevent sticking, scorching, or direct contact between the vinyl and the heat press. A Teflon sheet is a different material, but it does the same thing as the parchment paper. Okay, now this is an inkjet printer. It's optional, but it's super helpful if you wanted to make things like party favors, stickers, or even button designs. The list goes on. And keep in mind, you don't need anything fancy, just a good quality printer that prints in color. You can grab one for under $100, especially if you catch one on sale. My first printer was a Canon. I can't remember the model, but it was like $30 or $40. I caught it on sale around Christmas. And now I'm just showing you a bunch of things that I use my printer for, and I don't necessarily need a Cricut or a cutting machine for. And I'm going to tell you, because nobody told me, start with one thing. Don't try to do it all. Master that one thing, then branch out and do another thing. Don't just try to make it all. And now I know some of y'all are working full-time, raising kids, and still trying to hold it together. I feel you. I live it. But let me tell you, consistency is a superpower. Even if you make one thing a week, even if you only get 30 minutes after work, that's still progress. Don't worry about making money yet. Worry about getting better. Don't wait until you feel confidence. Confidence comes from doing it. All right, if you're feeling more motivated to finally start that journey, I want you to drop a green heart in the comments so I know you're locked in. So I gave you everything you need to get started right away. And don't worry, I put together a free checklist for you so you don't have to waste time or money on things you don't need. You can download it and keep it next to your workspace as you grow. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.